You guys, even Game of Thrones is here. So, today we will be talking about copper. Copper. Copper! Not a gold. Not a silver. Copper! Oh, mamma mia! Oh, that's heavy. So, I don't know how to play this game. Because it's, I don't know, it's copper, I don't know what to do with it. It's like it's 10 times more expensive than the spot price. And you know, I have some copper, some coins, you know, but I was thinking, okay, let me load on copper, you know. Who knows what will be tomorrow. So let me open this box. You know, maybe it will go to the moon. Maybe silver will cost, you know, tons of money, and copper will cost like a silver, right? Oh man, you know how much it is? It's 5 kilo. Okay, one package. Inside one package, it's another package. Oh man, that's heavy. That's heavy. And I'm not sure why he didn't send in cardboard box. He sent in, you know, like packages. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Wow. Gold. It feel like a gold. Feel like a gold. Okay, no paperwork. Oh, there is paperwork, but it's all destroyed. Thanks. 1 kilo copper bar. So I bought it from Green Metals, okay? I bought it from Green Metals, and I'll tell you a story, okay? First time I bought it from, it's 1 kilo copper bar. Let's open one and see what is this about. Like, and then we'll talk. Oh, good. They have all kind of, sound like have all kind of packages, and it's hell heavy. Wow. This is 1 kilo 999 5 copper USA. So let me bring it close. You know, like if you're in metals, you know, in metals. So I bought first time from this, what's the name of this guy? I'll tell you. From not Green Metal, from DB Metals, okay? This guy is nightmare, okay? DB Metal. So first of all, nothing mentioned about shipping. I was thinking like US. Then 1 week passed and nothing. I say, hey, are you going to ship me or what? You know? And he was like, why you ask me? You know? Why you ask me? So I don't need to ask you, because if I sell on eBay, I want to send it the same day, not even the next day. And after 1 week, he say, why you ask me? I say, yeah, I don't know. Like, you look like don't care about feedback or whatever. He say, no, I don't care. You know, why you ask? You know, USPS office has some problem. I say, okay, so what we do? He say, I don't know, I need to check. Okay, 1 week passed again, and I say, ask again, 2 weeks, I need to check. And then I say, you know, guy, I don't know how the story ends, okay, I need to do something. And then he just refund me, you know. Okay, so don't go there, DB Metals, okay? Guys, just don't go there, okay? If you want to buy, there is another guy. I put his link below. Green Metals, okay? Man, excellent. Like, he said he will ship in 10 days, something like that, but he shipped much faster, you know? I got it much faster. Wow, I really like this product. You see, it has made in USA, and then handmade with love, sent you. Green Metals, yes, this guy, you see? Green Metals, okay? So go check him out. And you know how much I paid? He has discount. If you buy one, it will be like 36 bucks. But if you buy more than 4, then you will pay, I believe, 20% discount, guys. 20% discount. 20% discount, guys. So I paid like 28 bucks. Very good price, and I suggest you grab them. You know, the copper will also go up, you know, eventually, right? Oh, yeah, but it's a metals, right? So cool. Okay, 1 bar, and they packaged very well. You see, he packaged them like two. I don't know how to open it even, because I don't want to scratch the bar. Yeah, look like I need to work my way, you know, to open it. Hefty bars, guys. Yeah, hefty bars. Yeah, very well packaged. You know, like, you know, sometimes silver bars are not packaged so well, you know. I was getting silver bars, you know, just nothing. And he packaged in individual, you know, plastic. Wow, that's very cool, very cool. I really like it. Thank you very much. You see, 1, 2, 3, and then we have 2 more. So yeah, I need to open it. So if you guys not in copper, I'm not in copper as well, you know. I just buy it because I don't know. I'm thinking, you know, if metals will go up, then any metal will go up, right? And eventually. And when I see these prices and I will see discount, you know, it's a good discount, you know. And if you let's say for a 5 bars, you know, like this, I paid I don't even remember how much, but it was like 28 multiple, yeah, 140 bucks. 140 bucks for 5 kilo. Man, you know, you can buy, you know, like 1 bar, 1 silver coin. Yeah, exactly. So 1 bar is like 1 silver coin. 1 ounce of silver, you see? And it's 1 kilo, guys. It's not 10 ounce, it's 1 kilo. Okay? So, here we go. 5 bars, 1 kilo. And you see, it costs the same as this. Can you believe in this? It costs the same. 1 ounce, 1 kilo. That's very cool. Very cool, very cool. Yep, I like it. I like it. So let's look close again. You see, this is a copper, 1 kilo, 995 silver. Oh, 5 silver, some fine copper, sorry. And it has, you know, 1085 Celsius, you know, the temperature when it melted, I believe. 29, and this is, I believe this is molecular, you know, on molecular level, Cu, you know, what is the number in a Mendeleev table, right? And here we have some another G, CC, I don't know what it is, I need to learn. 1 kilo. If you have comments about all these numbers, yeah, give it here. You know, maybe someone work with metals will be interesting to learn. Yeah, a lot of copper. I like it. I like it. Hefty. Very cool. Yeah, that's heavy. That's heavy. That's heavy. That's heavy. Let's explore. Let's explore. This is nice. You see how they melted it. Wow. And this sound. This sound. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Hope you enjoy, guys. I am enjoying. So, copper, a little bit of copper, you know, why not? You know, like, you never know. And like, okay, let it be. Copper for so cheap, like 1 ounce, 5 ounces of silver, guys, here. 5 ounces of silver, 5 kilo of copper. Yeah. Enjoy, guys. So that's it, guys. Want to update you. If you like my channel, please sign. Please sign. Please put your comments and sign. And we have 1,000 GAU is coming, okay? 2 ounce silver shield for free. So please sign and comment. Thank you very much, guys.